Honorable adjudicators, respected Prime Minister and member of the House. I am Azara Lintang Febriana as the leader of opposition and I stand firmly against today's motion. This House believes that social media is bad for children. Let us first understand what we are really debating today. We are not here to say that social media has no risk. Of course, it does. There are problems like addiction, cyberbullying, and exposure to harmful content. We acknowledge all of that. But the real question is this: does that mean social media is completely bad for children? We believe the answer is no. We think the government is being too extreme. They only look at the negative side and ignore the fact that social media is already part of children's daily life. In today's world, children grow up with the internet. Social media is not something new or optional anymore. It is something they interact with every day. Our stand is very clear. Social media is not inherently bad for children. What matters more is how it is used and how children are treated when using it. Before I explain our argument, I would like to respond to a common claim from the government. They will likely say that social media harmful for children's mental health. Well, this can be true in some cases. It is not always true for everyone. In fact, for many children, social media can become a place where they feel supported. They can share their truth, talk about their feelings, and connect with people who understand them. So, it is not fair to say that social media is only harmful because it can also be helpful. Now, let me explain our argument clearly. The first argument is social media can support learning and personal development. Children today do not only use social media for fun, they also use it to learn new things. For example, they can watch educational video, learn language, discover new idea, and even build skill like drawing, editing, or public speaking. Social media give them access to knowledge that is not always available in school. This helps them grow and become more curious about the world. Okay, the second is social media help children build connection and express themselves. Communication is very important for children. Through social media, they can stay connected with friends, share their opinions, and express their identity. For children who are see or feel left out in real life, social media can give them a space where they feel more confident and accepted. This is important for their emotional development. The last argument, the real problem is not social media itself, but how it is used. If children use social media without guidance, of course, there will be risks, but that does not mean the platform itself is bad. The real issue is the lack of supervision, education, and digital awareness. Parents and schools should teach children how to use social media safely and responsibly instead of simply blaming it. So, instead of saying social media is bad, we should be asking how can we help children use social media in a better way? Because at the end of the day, social media is just a tool, and like any tool, it depends on the user. It can be harmful, but it can also be very useful and meaningful. For all the reasons, we strongly oppose this motion. Thank you.